back here again with another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one. I'm going to be dyeing my mother's hair. I already did it before. We did purple to a light pink ombre. It wasn't as bright as we wanted it to be. It turned out very light pastel-y and it washed out really quickly. As you can see, this purple is lasting forever. I use the Ion Permanent Bright Collection. So today I'm going to be doing a 3-tone hair color ombre. We're going to start off with the titanium at the roots, move to the purple, and then the fuchsia. So I'm going to get started here. I'm going to show you exactly how I blend the colors together. So if you're interested in seeing that, please keep watching. We're just going to start out with 1 ounce of each color, 1 ounce of color and 1 ounce of 10 volume developer. So here's the fuchsia. It's looking white for some reason. And then we have the purple and the titanium. Let's get to it. I'm just going to show you a bit of melting the colors together and how I do it. Okay, so the titanium at the roots.
See where everyone's heads are at right now. Would you rather we bring the wedding back to the hotel with the big league? Or
just bring it down about a quarter of the way.
Who would rather have the back?
Sorry about the talking in the background. We're watching a movie. Now in the center, melting together, I'm using the purple. And then the fuchsia.
She works nights by the water. She's gonna stay so far away from her father's daughter. She's once alive, all for a baby, all on her own. No one will come. She's gotta save him. She tells him, oh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow up, have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Oh, rock-a-bye, oh, rock-a-bye, oh, rock-a-bye, bye, 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 bye. Now she's got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love. No one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love.
So here's what it looks like when it's all in the hair. We'll see what it looks like at the end. So here's the finished product. So beautiful. Look at all these fuchsia and purple colors. There's the underneath. Look at that shine. Well, I almost forgot to record an outro. I am so tired. It took a long time doing my mom's hair, but it turned out beautifully. I am so happy with the result. If you enjoyed watching this video, I'm thinking of doing a series on recording all of the different hair that I do, the cuts and colors. I think it's really interesting, and if you'd like to see that, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you do want to see more videos from me, and until the next time,